Everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Bhoopesh. We're doing well. So we were doing Agent Zero exercises last time, and we have installed Agent Zero on our Docker desktop, and it was running fine. And we were able to use free models using Open Router, where we configure our API key, and then we configured all the API key have been configured in this section. Like Open Router API key has been configured, and then we can configure the free models so that we are saving time for POC purpose. So for free models, you can come back to this chat model and then use this Trinity, which I have demonstrated in my previous lecture. Also, not today. We'll see how to use sub agents or how to create PPT automatically using skills. These are the free agents that I'm talking about in Trinity. So for creating additional skills, you can actually, go to skills.sh, right? But you need to be very sure which skills you're using because, uh, you know, we should use authorized skills so that the API keys are not being exposed. So I want to create a PPT, so I can use the uh, skill created by Anthropic or the one which is below. So suppose I want to install this, I need to click this and then copy this, right? And then copy this and then install this skill here, right? And then we will import this skill to our agent zero for getting the job done, right? So this is where we need to install it, and then we will install using this. Let me close the unnecessary things that are getting in open. This is how you install your skill onto your laptop and then create a zip file, and then we will import that zip file to our agent zero. You need to set all the default conditions. It is cloning the repository, and then it is installing the relevant skill. So once that skill is being installed, then you import that skill as a zip file into your agent zero. Now this is the one which is getting installed. I'll simply come here and then use this uh, zip file into our agent zero. Now I'll come back to my agent zero right here. Save this. Now this is the skill I'm talking about. I'll come back here, skills, and then I'll import that zip file so that I can use it PPT. You need to make sure that you're doing it on your Linux, otherwise it will be very slow. Your system would be very slow. Better to do it on a heavy Linux machine, right? Now this will come to your skill. This is the one. It will get imported. Click on import, and then this. I have paused the video to make it quick. Yeah, it is should be popping up. Now you see this is the skill that is getting imported. My system is very slow. But now let's quickly create a chat and then create a one-sider PPT on Virat Kohli. Hi, please create a one slider. mm, Slide on Virat Kohli. I'll pause the video. You see it is actually reading that skill, right? It is loaded that skill and then it is trying to create a one slider on Virat Kohli. And to do that, first of all, it will create the HTML of Virat Kohli and then convert that HTML to PPT. So that I think is created. You see this is the HTML that is getting created automatically. And then this HTML will get converted into a PPT by agent zero, right? Since my system is very slow, I don't think it will convert because it is getting restarted, right? But this is how you actually load any skill and then get the job done using these skills. And there are so many skills available on this website. So next time maybe I will try it on EC2 instance where we will explore some logging agent, observability use case. So like this logging, right? So we can use the observability related, observability related sub skills or sub agents and then see how to unleash the power of agent zero. But today we have actually seen how to create skills, how to import that skills into your, agent zero and get the job done. I'll stop this searching, otherwise it will again go on a task and it will restart my system. So that is pretty much for today's session. I will come back again on to observability use case on agent zero and then we'll connect MCP servers to Agent Zero. So till then, stay tuned and do check out other videos into the same playlist and put down anything that you want, especially on Agent Zero or anything else on personal AI assistant. Thank you for now. Bye bye.